Elle Foster, and this is how to care for a Dracaena Warneckii Limelight. I maintained interior plants many years ago, and this Dracaena was not on the market yet. And I just love this neon green foliage. So the care for this plant is with the watering. You want to water it probably every 2 weeks. You want to keep it on the dry side, make sure the water drains through and that there's not too much water in the saucer at all. Also, too, they are susceptible to salts and fluorides in the water. You'll see some tipping, so if you can use distilled water or let the water sit for a day or two before you water it, that's best. The exposure, this likes a medium light, a nice bright light, not too hot or burning or not a dark corner either. Fertilizing, if you feel the need to fertilize it, you can use an organic liquid houseplant fertilizer. Just be sure to do it at recommended strength and only once or twice a year, and you don't want the salts from the fertilizer to build up either. As far as pests, it is susceptible to mealybug, spider mite, and scale. You can use a horticultural oil for that. Just be sure to get the undersides of the leaves and in the nodes, because that's where the plants live. The pests live in the plants, excuse me on that. And you'll want to keep these leaves clean, so you can just take a damp cloth and wipe them off every once in a while. It helps the plant to breathe. And because it is a tropical plant, it does like to have some spraying every now and then. I love this chartreuse plant. It's so easy to care for, and it is certain to brighten up your home environment.